According to China EV Post, NIO has reached 2,905 battery swap stations across China. Of these, 929 are located along highways, supporting long-distance travel. The company added 589 stations this year but fell short of its plan to install 1,000 in 2024. NIO aims to expand its network to cover over 2,300 counties by the end of 2025. NIO's sub-brand Onvo achieved its goal of 1,000 dedicated battery swap stations by the end of 2024. Onvo launched its first model, the L60 electric SUV, on September 19 and began deliveries on September 28. In just 100 days, over 20,000 units of the L60 were delivered. NIO also operates one of China's largest charging networks, with 2,545 supercharging stations and 1,672 destination charging stations. Meanwhile, competitor Li Auto has 1,518 supercharging stations, aiming for 2,000 by the end of 2024. You are listening to Yuan News.